Namaste. Welcome to day 20 of our 30-day Carnatic Revision Challenge based on Sangeeta Balapadam Book 1. Today's lesson, Geetham 7, Kamala Jatala. In this revision, we'll sing only the Sahidhyam in first and second speeds. If you would like to revise the swaras of all Geethams, check out my Geetham course. I have added the playlist link below. Let's begin. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa kamala jadala vimala sunayana karivarada karuna karuna charate kamala kantam kesinaraka suravibedana varada Rotama karuna charade kamala kanta kamala chadana vimala sunayana karivarada karuna karuna charade kamala kanta kesinaraka suravibedana varata vela surapurotama karuna charade kamala kanta. That completes day 20, Geetham 7, Kamala Jatala. Tomorrow we'll move to day 21, Geetham 8. Keep practicing daily to strengthen your voice, rhythm and clarity. Comment where you are joining from and subscribe to continue your 30-day Carnatic journey. Thank you.